Hello everybody. James Robotham here from QBS Distribution. I'm the SolarWinds Product Manager, and I'm giving you this message because SolarWinds have launched their Transform Partner Program, and there's a few things that we need to get our partners to try and do in terms of administration. One of the key critical things to be involved in the SolarWinds Transform program is to register as an authorized partner. So the thing we would need to do is show you how to do that. So I'm going to work with Effie to try and show you exactly the stages and the process needed. So first things first is obviously going to the SolarWinds website, solarwinds.com, and going up into the top right hand corner, you can see partners. Click on that link and you can see on the third tab down is become a partner. Now, QBS has obviously just filled out and done that detail, but you would go into the create account tab and fill out the necessary details. Once submitted, it's normally the company address, your email address, approving the terms and conditions. And once submitted, this will go to SolarWinds for approval. Approved, SolarWinds will send you an email with a login, temporary login, which you will then correct. If you are already a partner or somebody has submitted the partner application and you want access to the partner portal, then register your own link and go into your own, set up your own partner portal access. Effie is going to do this and show you how to do it. So obviously, we can see that QBS is already a partner and just need to say, yes, I'm an employer of the following company. So we click on that, and then that commits. We go to next. Effie will fill out her details. Then we submit. Once this is submitted, this will go to the channel team at SolarWinds for approval. And once the approval comes through, you will get an email. It normally takes between 24 to 48 hours. Now, if it is an urgent application, please let QBS know, and we can talk to the partner team, escalate that application as soon as possible. Right. That was the first step. Now, once you've got into the partner portal, you get to look at your own access. And I'm just going to share my screen. So we will go into portal login. And as you can see, my details are below. I will log in. All right, so once we get the portal login access, you can go in and obviously log in through your portal. You can see this is my portal access. It will be similar for everybody. You have four main pillars, four main tabs that you would look at: educate, activate, sell, and accelerate. Educate allows you access to the SolarWinds training programs. If you're a salesperson, then there are the SolarWinds Sales Expert accreditations. There are 6 of them. The first one is the Foundation, which is a broad overview of the SolarWinds portfolio. And then there's 5 specific product sets, which are network, systems, database, ITSM, and security. You can do as many as you like, or the ones which are specifically integral to your job. Then you also, if you're a technical person or pre-sales or post-sales, then you could do the SolarWinds Sales Professional trainings, which is a more technical certification. And again, they have the necessary accreditations for the necessary coverage on those, which I've mentioned before. Activate allows you to get into your marketing and help you with your assets library, looking at campaigns, looking at collateral. There's numerous different areas where you could try and take advantage of these. I'll have a quick look and show you more within this Activate. you can see, you know, the assets library, you have events calendar of things which are going on within SolarWinds, and the necessary campaign in the box for things like email campaigns. We can show briefly here different competitive or areas where you could put a marketing in there. If there is something that you need that you necessarily can't find, please contact QBS and we will work with SolarWinds to see if there is any other further collateral or campaigns either in the roadmap or in the library, which is not easily accessed. Getting back to the portal, one of the critical things you get with the authorized partner SolarWinds is the deal registration tool. Now, previously, the distribution were able to do the deal registration for you, but now, if you get your access through your partner portal, you're able to do that yourself. So it's pretty simple. Click on the tool. You register a new opportunity. You fill out your customer's details, email address, title, phone, etc. You put some interest, so we can see, for example, you can do multiple different products. You might want a performance monitor, you might put network traffic analyzer, and you might want to put system software asset application monitor. You want to select the distributor, so you will either go to QBS, go search, and you can see QBS. Now you can either select the currency you want or just select QBS and then select the currency here in the requested opportunity. Obviously, deal rate closed, any description, and then press submit. This will go to the SolarWinds channel team, who will look at opportunity, see if it has been registered already, and if it hasn't, then you will get a channel initiated opportunity generated with deal rate approval. We can then give you extra discount, and we can work with you to try and help with things like necessary resources, either pre-sales, post-sales delivery, and any other opportunity that you need. Once that's done, obviously we will QBS will send you over a quote. And once the quote is done, then hopefully we can help in terms of trying to help you close that opportunity. In terms of the partner program, there's plenty of collateral in terms of what you need to do to get to which stage. As I say, there are 4 stages. If you've just submitted your application and have not previously, then you will start as an authorized partner. As you develop and you build in more channel initiated deals, which is obviously new business or upgrade opportunities or subscription opportunities, then you will be able to advance. So each tier has a different level of accreditation, and you will need to do some sort of level of sales expert training and SCP to move up those channels. The credentials are marked in the box, in the Transformer Partner Program box, and we can run through these if you need necessary. I hope you find that interesting. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm James.Robotham at qbssoftware.com. And if you need any assistance, then please let me know. Thank you.